Hello guys, what's up? My name is Chirag and welcome to my channel Chirag the Genie. So today we are gonna be looking at Python part 2 tutorial. So in the previous video we learned how to print a statement, and if you don't know how to print the statement you can go to my previous video. I'll attach the link in the description. And today we are going to be learning on how to make a variable. First of all, I'll tell you what's a variable. A variable is a container which doesn't have any constant value. It can be anything, like it can be a string, it can be an integer, and it can be a float, or any operations like plus, minus, multiply, divide. So a variable is used in most, or I would say all of the coding languages. So yeah, it's a really useful thing, like it's a really useful concept to understand. But today I'm going to be telling you how to create a variable in Python. So to create a variable you have to write any name or any word. The word can be like this, WORD, or it can also be WORD. Note, it can't have spaces. It cannot have a plus sign. It cannot have any operation as the name of the variable, and it also can't have an only integer. Like if you see that, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna type variable for now, but it can have integers or floats with it. It can't have any decimals as well. So let me show you. So yeah, it can't have any decimals, but it can have like numbers with strings. So variable one, that can be a variable. Then I'm gonna put equal to, and then I can put any value. So say for example I'll put 5, and that's a variable. I mean, if I run this, it's not gonna do anything because I'm not giving a command. It's just creating a variable, and it's gonna be at the back end, so it's not gonna be on the display until and unless you use or give it a function. Okay, next I'm gonna create a second variable. You can have as many variables as you want, but if you have the same variable name, say for example if I have variable 2, uh if I have variable 1, sorry, it's basically the same name. So when I write 6, now instead of the value of variable 1 being 5, it's gonna be 6. So that's I'm gonna say 2, not 12, 2. And you don't have to go in sequence. This can be like what, it can be 100, it can be that as well, but I'm just gonna keep it to 2 for now. And that's a second variable. And now as I said, it can be operations, so I'm gonna create a third variable which is gonna be operations, and then equal to, and then we can have anything. So we can have plus, minus, we can divide, and we can have um hash trick, which is like shift 8 for multiplication. But now we don't need a third variable, or I'll just keep it for so that you guys can understand. And now I'm gonna tell you something really cool. So last time we learned how to print any string, integer, or float. This time we're gonna learn how to print the variable. So I can go ahead and type variable 1 in the brackets. It's gonna suggest me over there, so I'll just click on that. And oh, it's variable 2, but who cares? It's the same thing. It's just gonna be 6 instead of 5. And now when I run this, okay, I think there's an error. Okay, so this is not a valid syntax. Okay, let's remove this. Yeah, so you have to put it in quotes, so I think this will work. Let's see. Operation this, and then if you put plus, it's gonna work. So see how delicate syntax is, now it's working. And I did a mistake, but I think you should learn something from it. The syntax is really delicate in Python, sensitive I would say. And now you can see that it's printing the variable value, which is 6. And now if I say print variable 2 plus variable 1, you are gonna be blown away by the result. So variable 2 plus variable 1, 5 plus 6 or 6 plus 5 is 11. Isn't that cool? So you can do many cool things with variables. Now it's just my second video and you have created a very, no, I would not say a calculator, but an adding machine, you can say. So how I'm gonna tell you guys how to take an input from the user and how to make a good calculator in my next video. So that's it for this video. See you in my next video. Goodbye.